My basic objective is to promote research and innovation at Amity University. And in this case, I am promoting the students, the teachers and other faculty members to do research in their own domain, in their respective areas. And basic interest is that they should develop some technologies, some systems, some devices which can be used for the public at large. And in order to meet this objective, what is happening is that we have opened a large number of PhD programs in almost all disciplines. Whether you take management, whether you take biotechnology, whether you take journalism, mass communication, you take Amity Institute of Science and Engineering, Amity Institute of Pharmacy, we have the PhD program in almost all the disciplines, and the students are participating in a very big way. They are contributing very significantly in development of technologies, systems and devices, which is of use to the public interest. And the net result of our research and innovation is that we have published 1300 papers so far. Out of the 1300 research papers, 1200 are in the peer-reviewed journal. 44 books have been published. 68 book chapters have also been contributed by our faculty members. We have a large number of MOUs with the national and international agencies, in which we have a student exchange program and the faculty exchange program also. So we normally make use of the facilities which are available within the industry or some other institutes with whom we are having the MOUs. We have published large number of patents also, and some of the patents are going for commercialization. Come to this Amity University. I welcome you all. I invite you to the potential candidates to come over here and do research and innovation. We have the best of the infrastructure, we have the best of the facility, and we have the state of the art, the laboratories which are equipped with the highly sophisticated instruments to serve or to help the students to do the innovative research in the areas of their own domain.